Hello everyone. This video is a Geographic Information System project assignment, which is submitted for the Skyfi Labs online course by Naveen Shirur, Vivek Patil, and Sudeep. And this video is made by Naveen Shirur. So I am working as an assistant professor in Jain College of Engineering and Technology, Hubballi. So as a part of the assignment of this GIS course from the Sci-Fi Labs. So here we are creating the shape models for the data using the QGIS software. So this assignment of this particular work, it consists of four parts. That the first one is collecting the GPS data, then working with the GPS data, then creating the shape layer for the collected GPS data, then last is importing these data into Google Earth application. So the first thing, as I told, uh, collection of this GPS data. So these mobile phones are the one of the GPS devices that are available easily everywhere. So we can make use of this mobile phone to collect the GPS data, and we can collect the GPS data by using an Android application called My GPS Coordinates. So record the coordinate values which have a signal accuracy value less than or equal to 5 meters in order to get the accurate data. So if you want to take the reading, move to any location and wait for the signal accuracy value which should be less than or equal to 5 meters. So in order to get this accuracy value, we need to wait for minimum 5 to 6 minutes to get the exact value. Then upon 5 to 6 minutes, means when we get the signal accuracy value less than 5 meters, the location coordinates will be obtained. So those are latitude and longitude. So similarly, we need to move to the different locations and note down the location value. And once we recorded these values, those should be documented in an Excel sheet. So for that, here I made the Excel sheet. So this is the building data, and here we have to make columns like latitude and longitude. So enter the complete values in latitude and longitude. So these are the building data. Similarly, this is the row data and corresponding the latitude and longitude values. Then this is the tree data. So like that we have to collect and store all the GPS data in a document or in an Excel sheet. Then this is what we call, this is a collection of the GPS data. The next one is working with the GPS data. So once we collect all the data, then all these GPS data files should be saved in CSV format. Like the first one I will show you. So this is a file which we collected the data. Click on save as. Make the destination. Then here in save as type, you have to select CSV, that is comma delimited option. Then give the file name as building. Then click on save. Similarly for the road data, CSV format, save. and also for the tree data. Then once these values are saved as a CSV format, the next one is open this QGIS software, then import these values here. So in order to import the values, so select add delimited text layer, shortcut key, so it is in the left toolbar. Click on the add delimited text layer, then browse, click on first one building. So file format is CSV. So this X field should be longitude and Y field should be latitude. Click on OK. And here the CRS type should be WGS 84. Click OK. So the building data is imported here, as you can see here. Similarly, for other data, road data. Okay. So here we got the road data. Another one is tree data. So now we have imported all the data into the software, QGIS software. Then next step is creating the shape layer for these data. For this, go to the layer menu, create layer, new shape file layer. Then for trees, you should select the type as point. Then this is a file, CRS type is WGS84. Then click on OK. So use a specific path for a shape file. So in the QGIS folder only, I will make another folder that is a shape. Therefore, I will save it as tree shape. Click on save. Now we got the tree shape here. So similarly for the road, we have to create the shape layer. So for road, I will select line. So file type is WGS. CRS type is WGS84. Click OK. Then this is road shape. Okay. Similarly for the building, I'll take a polygon. Okay. Building shape. Now we have to draw the shape model. So first we'll select the tree. So for that we need to unmark all these things, unmark all the different layers. So tree shape. Then click on toggle editing, then add features. So select the first point, first tree. So I will name it as 11, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. The same way, road, toggle editing, click on add feature, select the road path for this year 21. So similarly, for building shape, toggle editing, add feature. So I have selected the polygon shape here, file and now I can get all these, select all these, so we'll get exact. So this is the building shape, this is tree shape, and this is the road shape. So this is drawing the shape model. Then next step is importing these data into the Google Earth application. So in order to import these data into Google Earth application, first we need to export these shape file in the KML format. So for that, right click on tree shape, then click save as. So this is a KML. KML means keyhole markup language. So give the destination. So again, I will create one more folder here, that is KML. Therefore, the first one is tree. So I will name it as tree KML or simply tree. Then click on save. Okay. So here the notification, the saving done. Similarly for road shape, the same folder, road, click OK. Similarly for the building shape, save. Save. Okay. Now we have exported the shape file in the KML format. Now we can find the drawn shape models in the Google Earth. Now minimize this one. Open Google Earth Pro application, which is already installed. So we need the proper internet connection here. Then click on File, Open. Then open the HTML format. Select all these data. Click on Open. So this is the data where I selected. So this is the building, and these are three data, and this one is a crochet. Since we are using the mobile phone as a GPS device to collect the coordinates, so in here we are not getting the exact latitude and the longitude values. So that's why this is a slight difference in the space size. So this is the project what we assigned. Thank you.